This video covers how to set up the automatic naming of files with InspectorRide. When you perform an inspection, you need to give that inspection a unique file name. You have the option to manually enter a file name each time, or you can set it up so that the file name is automatically generated for you, which saves you time and gives you more consistent results. Automating the naming of files is done in the online portal, which you can log into at www.inspectorride.com/login. On this screen, enter your username and password and then tap on Log In. Now that we're logged in, we'll want to navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand side. If you're on a phone, you may first need to tap on this icon to see the side menu. Once in Settings, we'll want to scroll down until we see the File Naming section. The first thing we need to do is to tap on it to turn this option on. Now that it's on, we can decide how we want the files to be named. In the File Prefix field, we can choose how we want the file to be named. Let's go ahead and clear out what we have right now and set it up the way we want. We can type something in or select something from the Insert field. So if we tap on Insert, you'll see we have quite a few options to choose from that will name the file based on the vehicle and the inspection we're doing. For example, I could select the VIN followed by the date, and then we'll select the inspector. And as I selected them, you see that the preview is updated with a sample file name. It's important to know that when using automated file naming, the files will all end with the device ID and the inspection ID, and this is not something you're able to remove. Having these in place help ensure that each inspection you create has a unique file name. You can also type something into the File Prefix field, so we'll go ahead and type in test, and as you see when we type that, it shows up in the file name preview as well. Below the preview field, there's an option for Inspector Can Change. If this option is turned on, then the person using the app will not have the option to change the name of the file. This forces the file to be named consistently only one way. If this option is turned on, then the file will still automatically be named, but the app user has the ability to modify the name. Once you've set up the file naming to be how you want, the change will automatically be saved. It will take effect on the next inspection that's done in the app. If you're not seeing the change in the app, then restart the app and the change will take effect. This concludes the video on automating file names.